Imagine this. You're not just earning money, you're mastering it. You're not just saving, you're strategizing. And you're not just dreaming of being rich. You're turning those dreams into tangible, bankable reality. I'm not here for generic advice. I'm here for real takeaways that are backed by cold hard facts. The I Will Teach You to Be Rich book is more than just words on paper. It's a dynamic strategy, a playbook for financial triumph. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with knowledge that not only shifts your perspective on money, but also sets you on a trajectory towards financial success. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Now, let's unravel the secrets of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Takeaway 1. Shift from $3 questions to $30,000 questions. But what does that mean? How many times have you been told to skip that morning cup of coffee to save a few bucks? It's time to put that advice in perspective. You see, cutting back on small expenses is like plugging a leak in a sinking boat with your pinky finger. It's not where the real problem lies. Ramit Sethi challenges us to stop fixating on minor expenses and instead zoom out and analyze where our money truly flows. Let's take housing costs for example. Refinancing your mortgage could save you hundreds every month. Now, that's a $30,000 question. A question that could truly transform your financial landscape. It's not about foregoing life's pleasures. It's about making strategic choices that have a lasting impact on your financial future. Think about it. Are you focusing on cutting the small stuff while ignoring the big wins? Are you asking yourself the right questions? Ramit's concept of $30,000 questions is a game changer. It encourages us to focus on decisions that move the needle. Decisions that save you not just pennies, but thousands over time. So, let's move on. Next takeaways. Takeaway 2. Keep your checking and savings at 2 different banks. We've all been there. One bank, one account, and all your money sitting in one place. Ramit Sethi challenges us to break free from this financial comfort zone. Why? Because by splitting your accounts, you're creating a psychological barrier between your everyday spending and your savings goals. If you have your savings account with a different bank than your checking account, you'll be less tempted to pull money from it for spending. That's because it typically takes a few days for money to transfer from one account to the other. But it's not just about the psychology. It's about optimizing your returns. Different banks offer different perks, and by strategically choosing where you stash your cash, you can maximize your gains. Now, here's the kicker. This isn't about making your life complicated. In today's digital world, managing accounts across multiple banks is smoother than ever. Takeaway 3. Adopt conscious spending. Ramit Sethi introduces us to a method that goes beyond tracking expenses. It's about being conscious of where every dollar flows and deliberately directing them towards your financial goals. So, what's this plan all about? It's about diving deep into your spending patterns and consciously deciding how each dollar will be used. Start by allocating 50 to 65% of your monthly take-home pay to those fixed necessities. Think rent, utilities, insurance, and knocking down debts. But here's where the magic happens. Allot 10% for long-term investments, like nurturing your 401k and growing your Roth IRA. Then comes 5 to 10% set aside for both short-term and long-term savings goals. This is your stepping stone to achieving your dreams, whether it's a vacation or a down payment on a house. Now, here's where it gets exciting. A guilt-free 20 to 35% is your playground for discretionary spending. Yes, you heard that right. Guilt-free! Treat yourself without derailing your financial journey. The beauty of conscious spending is its versatility. It adapts to your lifestyle, your goals, and your aspirations. It's not about restriction. It's about liberation. Takeaway 4. Mastering credit management. Debt and credit, a duo that can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Think of them as tools. Use them wisely, and you can scale financial mountains. Ramit Sethi spells out a golden rule. Debt can be your ally if you're investing in things that appreciate over time, like a house. Let's face it, credit card debt can be a financial minefield. Missing payments or paying just the minimum balance can result in skyrocketing interest rates, averaging around 14% annually. Imagine this scenario. You make a $10,000 credit card purchase and only pay the minimum balance. In a staggering 13 years, you'll finally settle the debt. But wait, the interest alone would have cost you around $4,000. Now let's flip the script. If that $4,000 were invested at an 8% return, you'd be sitting on roughly $27,000 after the same 13 years. Credit card debt isn't just about paying back money. It's about paying back opportunities. But don't throw the credit card away just yet. Used wisely, it can be a tool of financial empowerment. Pay your bills in full each month, and your credit card acts as a free loan. It helps track your spending and those rewards. They can be sweet bonuses, air miles, or other perks. Takeaway 5. Automate everything for financial success. Ramit Sethi's advice? Automate everything you can. It's like having a trusty assistant managing your finances without the need for a paycheck. Think about it. How often have you missed a bill payment or postponed setting aside money for your goals? Automation sweeps away those worries. Here's the genius part. Set up automatic transfers for your different financial buckets. Want to save for a dream vacation? Automate it. Investing for your future? Automate it. With every paycheck, the right amount is channeled directly to where it needs to be. It's like choreographing a financial dance where every move is precise. And it's not just about discipline. It's about optimizing. Automating your investments means you're not only consistent, but also harnessing the power of compound interest. Imagine your money working for you while you focus on living your life. This is a pivotal step towards financial freedom. The best part? Ramit lays out a roadmap, and I will teach you to be rich for setting up this automation seamlessly. Ramit's message is clear. Automation removes the mental load, making it easier for you to stick to your financial plan. Ready to take charge? Drop a comment below and let me know how automation could transform your financial game. There you have it, all the takeaway. And now, I challenge you to take one step today and comment that below. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your fellow explorers, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future videos.